In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero and how to open an invoice for editing using the built-in options, so you can update details quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Xero login page and signing into your account. Make sure you select the correct organization if you have access to more than one, since invoices are specific to each organization's books. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Sales area. This is where Xero groups your quotes, invoices, and related customer transactions, so it's the fastest route to the invoice you want to change. From Sales, go into Invoices. Here you'll see a list you can sort and filter by status, date, customer, or amount. If you have a lot of activity, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down to draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. Different statuses can affect what you're allowed to change, so it's helpful to know where the invoice sits in your process. Open the specific invoice that you want to edit. This takes you to the invoice view, where you can confirm you've got the right customer, date, and line items before making any changes. At the top right of the invoice screen, you'll see a three-dot menu. This menu holds additional actions related to the invoice. Click that menu, then choose Edit. You're now in the editable view of the invoice. This is where you can adjust details like the invoice date, due date, reference, and the line items themselves. You can update descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and the account or tax rate applied. If your region uses specific tax rules, double-check that the correct tax treatment is selected for each line. It's also a good moment to review any notes or terms that appear at the bottom, ensuring they match your current policies. If you don't see the edit option, check whether the invoice is fully paid, credited, or locked by your organization's approval settings, and ensure your user role has permission to edit sales invoices. Also be aware that changing an invoice that's already been sent may impact customer communications and accounting reports, so coordinate with your team if necessary. Before you move on, review totals, taxes, and dates for accuracy. Small mistakes can affect statements and revenue reporting. When everything looks correct, proceed as you normally would to confirm your changes within Xero. That's it. You've navigated to Sales, opened Invoices, selected your invoice, used the three-dot menu, and chosen Edit to update the details. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.